Hello everyone, and let's talk about how gamified AI training is making associations like yours smarter and faster. Now, generative AI poses some unique challenges for associations and training staff and volunteers, because what I've seen is often poor engagement, especially with volunteers for whom, of course, this is a part-time activity, not nearly as committed as staff, but staff too, often they just get bored, disengaged. It's a problem. Gamification is great because it engages learners with leaderboards, badges, and challenges while turning complex topics like generative AI into more motivating and accessible learning experiences that helps enhance participation in learning, collaboration among different staff and volunteers, and effective application of the skills they learned to their daily routines. And that's what helps position your association as a forward-thinking leader across your industry. Now, generative AI training matters a lot for associations because you rely on diverse staff and volunteer leaders with different roles, different priorities, and training is often dry, so it reduces retention of knowledge and training. Studies show that gamified training improves both retention of knowledge and motivation to do it. I'll tell you about a client I worked with, an insurance professionals association, which faced low engagement with generative AI upskilling efforts. So initial participation was around 30-ish%, with limited retention by volunteers and staff alike. So they hired me to help them with a gamified program tailored to member services and event planning, aligning the modules that we're offering with real-world scenarios. The modules taught generative AI data and in member engagement and member outreach. Real world examples were great because they connected training to everyday roles that staff and volunteer chapter leaders were partaking in. And we had some team-based challenges, which encouraged cross-chapter collaboration. So that was also helpful for working across chapters within the region, as well as for staff members within teams. For example, we had a virtual assistant prototype for members that we helped them design, and there was gamification around designing an effective prototype for each region, and that helped them get motivated and engaged. Different regions with several chapters each got engaged with building that prototype. And so there was a competition that was among the leaderboards. And that national leaderboard for that exercise motivated chapter engagement. And so that was helpful, and there was different ideas across different chapters which enriched solutions, helping meet varied member needs within each region. And then once the exercise was over and we got that final outcome on the leaderboard, we were then able to share best practices across all chapters, which is great. That's part of recognition and motivation. So participants earn badges for milestones and contributions, and we had recognition like grants and awards, a little bit like gift cards for individuals, grants and awards for chapters, and some swag, association swag for chapters and individuals. And that's what was part of Leadership Summit celebration, so that was helpful. That public acknowledgement helped boost morale and inspire participation, and it helped sustain enthusiasm with these meaningful rewards. So the training completion rates rose from the mid-30s to 85% as a result of this gamification, which is excellent. Volunteer leaders gained confidence in local initiatives and cross-regional collaboration. So within the same region, people were able to collaborate more effectively. That helped break silos across chapters. That was great. And generative AI streamlined services and increased productivity by 30% among staff. That was very helpful. The personalized services that we were able to provide members improved membership satisfaction, which we can see in retention rates, which increased by over 25% over the period of the project, over the 6-ish months or so of the project. The members praised the association's responsiveness and relevance, and it elevated the association's reputation in its industry. So this shows you the strategic advantage of gamification and training. It addresses the unique challenges of associations. It combines learning with engagement for maximum impact, and it helps drive operational efficiency and member satisfaction. It positions your association as a leader in innovation and excellence, and it appeals to the different needs of your staff members from different departments, as well as your chapter leaders. If you have any questions, please email me at gleb@disasteravoidanceexperts.com. Again, that's gleb@disasteravoidanceexperts.com. And please subscribe to this channel wherever you checked out this video to get more videos like this one.